In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix continuous loading problem on your X account. If you're trying to open or use your X app, but it continuously loads and you're told sometimes that something isn't right, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, to fix this on your Twitter or X account, first go to your phone and look for settings to troubleshoot your X app. Then scroll down to apps. And under apps, you want to look for this option, manage apps or all apps. At this point, search for your app by name. So just search for X and tap on it to open. Then go to for stop app to stop any background activities that might be causing this. And finally, go to clear data and choose clear cache and OK. Finally, clear all data and OK. Now restart your smartphone, and you want to ensure that you are not using any VPN, because if you are using any VPN, this might be the reason you are experiencing this. Also check if you have any recently installed security app. You'll need to disable it, as this might also be the cause of your challenge. Now, if this does not fix your problem, you need to go to Google Play Store or App Store, and here you want to search for your X app and see if you have any update your app to the latest version. However, if this does not fix your problem, then most likely X might have experienced an internal server error. For that, you need to wait for some few minutes, and when you come back and open your X account, now everything should be up and running without any issue. So let me know which of the above was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.